Hello everyone! Welcome back sa aming YouTube channel. Ako po muli, si Ate Mabel. Dito po muli kami naglilingkod sa inyo na nagbibigay sa inyo ng mga possible na trabaho na pwede po kayo maging PR. Kayo po ba ay walang experience o may experience sa trabahong ito na ating pag-uusapan? This is your chance to apply to this job. And guys, take note, no education requires if you are high school graduate or wala kayo natapos na university or college, basta merong at least experience to this job na pag-uusapan natin, you may apply to this job and you can submit your resume sa aking email or sa agency direct po. So, kailangan po lang talaga outside kayo sa Philippines. So, yun po ang take note, guys. So, if you are new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like and subscribe po. And again, pag-uusapan na po natin ang trabahong ito na kailangan po ng agency dito sa Canada. So, dito po ito sa province ng Alberta. So, yan guys. Pag-usapan po natin ngayon ang bagong trabaho dito sa Canada. Ang position po ito ay, ito po yung Field and Vegetable Crop Laborer. Ito po ay kailangan ni agency dito sa Edmonton, Alberta. So, sa mga gusto mag-apply po, ang job type po is full-time. The industry is in agricultural. And then type of contract is year-around po. This job po is in the province of Alberta in Edmonton City. So, sa mga gusto mag-apply, send your resume sa aking email address, mabelfrias14, or you can send your email directly to the agency itself. I'm gonna add this in my screen, the agency, or in my descriptions box. So, yung description po, job description po is yung you plan, cultivate, care of growing crops, harvest crops, detect disease and health problems in the crops, and examine crops for quality and prepare for market. So, is another, and also, set and monitor water lines, airflow, and temperature in growing and storage building. Ito po yung sa greenhouse po dito sa Alberta, sa Edmonton. So, write daily basic progress reports kasi kailangan nyo po i-maintain ng reports ng mga crops, prepare seeds for growing, operate and maintain farm machinery, clean crops, growing, and storage building. So, kasama din po yun sa iyong job description. Clean equipment needed for growing, harvesting, and packaging. And other duties assigned by the management. So, yun na po yung kailangan nyo sundin. So, guys, ang requirements po is no education is required. Or if you have experience or no experience, pero siyempre pag may experience, is an asset na po ninyo yun. So kasi on-the-job training naman po will be provided. So working conditions and physical capabilities is a fast-paced environment, work under pressure, and then meron siyang tight deadlines, repeated tasks, handling heavy loads, physical and demanding, attention to detail, hand-eye coordination, combination of sitting and standing, walking, standing for extended periods of time. So, bending, crouching, kneeling. So, personal suitability, kailangan maging organized kayo, flexibility, team player, tsaka reliability po. So, yung worksite po ng trabahong ito, ang worksite environment is outdoors, wet and damp, dusty, hot, cold, refrigerated. Tapos, meron po siyang handling requirement na weight up to 13.5 kilos or 30 pounds. So, works involved to function under repeated movement of certain parts of the farm, fingers, wrist, and hand, lower arm, upper arm, shoulders, and back movements for prolonged periods of time. So, yun po. Kumbaga, in short, syempre magtitingin kayo ng mga pananim, i-check nyo yung mga pananim kung ready to harvest na. Syempre, may bending lahat po yun yung kagaya ng ating pagtatanim. Kaya, pag magtanim, may di biro po. So, anyhow, sa mga gusto mag-apply again, send your resume sa aking email address, mabelfrias14@gmail.com, or you can send it to the agency website at workvantage.ca po. Search nyo lang po sa jobs careers nila. So again, this job is in Edmonton, Alberta, farm worker or farm laborer po, or crops laborer. So kung anong position yung pwede nyo pong applyan. The agency is only entertaining for now outside the Philippines. So if you are working as a farm or may similar kayong experience sa ganitong trabaho, you can submit your resume as long as wala po kayo sa Pilipinas. So if you are outside the Philippines like in Japan, Singapore, Saudi, saan mang bansa na pwede kayong, na wala kayo sa Pilipinas, you can submit your resume to this job position, job opening. So hopefully guys na mapili kayo kasi sa agri-farm meron pa rin pong pathway to become a permanent resident. So kaya samantalahin po natin na meron pang pathway kasi baka bigla na lang mawala na naman po ang pathway na ito sa Canada. Kagaya na nag-unti-unti na pong nagbabago, maraming changes. So hopefully this time around, this position will still help you to become a permanent dito sa Canada. So yan guys, if you are new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like and subscribe po. And i-update ko po kayo muli sa mga bagong posisyon na kailangan ni agency at sa iba-ibang paraan kung sa kayo makakahanap ng trabaho papuntang Canada. I will keep you posted po sa lahat ng available jobs na pwede yung puntahan at mga changes. Sana po add nyo rin po ako sa aking Facebook page, Ate Mabel ng Bayan. Search lang po ako or you can I always share the link, so you can just click the link and follow me in my Facebook page. So kasi nagbibigay po ako ng update sa inyo doon sa aking page pag may mga bagong changes po. So para maging up to date po kung sakali po may mga changes. So yan guys, thank you again for watching, and again si Ate Mabel po, thank you again and bye for now.